Now that the logic for logging in using Google are working on the back end, let's focus on the front end, meaning that we are going to allow the user to log in using this link. So let's see how we are going to implement that. All what we are going to do is that we are going to hit this route, and that is auth/Google, and that is it. So let's get back to the front end and let's locate the login in and then the registration component. Let's begin with the login in. So let's scroll down here, and this is the SVG icon for Google. As you can see, log in with Google. And here, let me change this one to log in. All right, and here on the A tag, this is where we are going to call the route, and I have already provided as that. And this is a route that we are going to call as we did on the backend. Here, change this one to 5,000, and that is it. So as soon as we click on this one, it's going to open the form for us. So now with this one, let's go ahead and try out. Let me click on login and then click on sign in with Google. As you can see, I can select one of my Gmail account, and there we go. We have logged in and it has redirected me to my dashboard. As it stands right now, we don't have the component for the dashboard, but we will get there very soon. The next step is that we are going to apply it on the registration page, which is this one. So now let's also locate the registration page, which is this, and we have the icon for Google sign up, which is this, and let me uncomment and change this one to 5,000. That is our port. And that is it. And let's try out on the registration page, which is this. And let me click on sign in with Google. And let me sign in. And there we go. Awesome, guys. So I can say that we are done with the authentication part of it. What has left is what we call the authorization.